In the search for the perfect accounting software, small business owners often weigh cost against features. While many popular solutions come with a recurring subscription fee, open-source alternatives like GnuCash present a compelling, free option. But does free equate to good for a small business? As an accounting software expert, I'm here to provide a balanced perspective on whether GnuCash is a suitable choice for your small business. What is GnuCash? First, let's understand what GnuCash is. It's a free, open-source financial accounting software that uses the principles of double-entry bookkeeping. This means every financial transaction is recorded in at least two accounts, a debit and a credit, to ensure that the books always balance. This is the bedrock of proper accounting and is essential for generating accurate financial statements. GnuCash is available for various operating systems, including Windows, macOS, and Linux, making it highly accessible. The strengths of GnuCash for small businesses. Despite being free, GnuCash offers a surprising array of features that can be beneficial for a small business. True double-entry accounting. This is GnuCash's core strength. Unlike simpler money management tools, GnuCash adheres strictly to double-entry principles. This is crucial for businesses that need to produce accurate balance sheets, income statements, profit and loss, and cash flow reports. For tax purposes and understanding your business's true financial health, this is non-negotiable. Expense and income tracking. GnuCash excels at recording and categorizing your business's income and expenses. Its checkbook-style register makes entering transactions familiar for many, and you can create a detailed chart of accounts to precisely categorize every financial movement. Customer and vendor management. Basic, you can set up customer and vendor records, track outstanding invoices, accounts receivable, and manage bills you owe, accounts payable. This helps in monitoring who owes you money and who you need to pay, aiding cash flow management. Invoicing and bill payment. GnuCash allows you to create basic invoices for your customers and record when they are paid. Similarly, you can enter vendor bills and mark them as paid. While not as feature-rich as dedicated invoicing tools, it covers the essentials. Bank reconciliation. A vital accounting task, bank reconciliation allows you to compare your recorded transactions in GnuCash against your bank statements. GnuCash has a robust reconciliation tool that helps you identify discrepancies and ensure your books match your bank's records. This is critical for error detection and fraud prevention. Reporting. GnuCash provides a good suite of standard financial reports, including balance sheets, income statements, and transaction reports. These reports can be customized and exported, offering valuable insights into your business's financial performance. You can also generate graphical representations of your data. Multi-currency support. For businesses dealing with international clients or suppliers, GnuCash supports transactions in multiple currencies, which is a significant advantage for a free tool. Scheduled transactions. You can set up recurring transactions for regular income or expenses like rent or subscriptions, which GnuCash can automatically enter or remind you to enter, saving time and reducing manual errors. No subscription fees. This is arguably the biggest appeal. For startups or very small businesses with limited budgets, avoiding monthly or annual software fees can free up valuable capital. The limitations of GnuCash for small businesses. While GnuCash offers a lot for free, it's not without its drawbacks, especially when compared to more advanced paid accounting software. Steep learning curve for non-accountants. While it uses a familiar checkbook interface, GnuCash requires a basic understanding of double-entry accounting principles to use effectively. If you're completely new to debits and credits, there's a learning curve involved in setting up your chart of accounts correctly and entering split transactions. No integrated payroll. As discussed in a previous article, GnuCash does not have a built-in, automated payroll module. Businesses with employees will need to use an external payroll service or manage payroll calculations manually, then record summary transactions in GnuCash. Limited automation. Compared to cloud solutions, GnuCash is a desktop application. While it can import bank data via QIF, OFX, and HBCI files, it generally doesn't offer the seamless, automated bank feeds and transaction categorization that many modern cloud-based accounting solutions provide. This often means more manual data entry, No cloud access/multi-user support. Native being a desktop application. GnuCash's data file resides on your computer. This means no native cloud access or real-time multi-user collaboration unless you implement complex network sharing solutions, which can lead to data corruption if not handled carefully. This is a significant limitation for teams where multiple people need to access or input financial data simultaneously.